All right, today's the big day. We're going to go ahead and cut out the drain. So right in here is where we're going to take the plasma cutter and cut all the way out there, pretty much as big as I can get it. And so the reason why we want to do that is because that is exactly where our grill is. So what happens is the water and stuff from rain, snow, or whatever comes in here, and I need a place for it to drain out. Otherwise, it will rust, build up, and whatnot, which this is what it will do anyway. You see, you have rust all throughout this seam here. I'm sure it goes all the way around, but that's just all we can see right now. So I'm going to try to prevent that from happening, and I'll coat all that best I can, and we'll see how it goes. I'm going to have to cut this open, I think. Allow the plasma to go in there, so I'm not cutting at an angle. I really want to make sure I leave enough of this lip on the bottom to where this portion and the front grill remained attached. So, looks like I gave my cutting wheel. All right, plasma cutter had a good time cutting us a hole. Run the seed down in there. Take a gander inside. This is what it looks like from the inside. Turned out all right. Basically, what I'm going to do now is make a panel. I'm going to clean it up first, but I'm going to make a panel for my tunnel delete. Oh wait, I get it. What do we have here? Is that a floor? After a year, I have a floor in? Oh, yeah. Pretty stout. And for me building it, considering that this side here isn't done, We'll only have tacks all the way around everywhere except for this portion here. But I come to a decision point. I didn't tack any of that in because I'm thinking I am going to cut from inside the frame here all the way over and make this just extra room inside. A little bit more leg room, or I don't know, you might be able to put something there. It's a bunch of wasted space underneath. I'm not going to need it. So you definitely could always use more room inside. I'm going to have to figure out what I'm going to do with these spaces back here. I'm really thinking putting speakers, making speaker boxes out of them. At least one here. So stay tuned for that. Have my relief cut out for my water drainage. It still needs to be cleaned up. I was going to clean that up and do a bunch of other stuff, but man, I was just really excited to get the floor in. I'm super pumped.